you are doing all good. So today actually I'm going to show you something new, very special. I think it will be helpful for you. Today I'm going to show you how to earn money working from home. So before I start this video, I just request you, don't skip any part of this video. Follow the video from beginning till end so that you can learn the steps and apply it while doing the work. This video is for the people, those who are idle in home, those who are housewife. They want some part-time job so that they can earn money. Those who are college going students, they can also do this part-time job working from home and earn money. So let's start the video. For this video you need to have internet connection and you need to know typing things. So what to do? First of all, you have to go to Internet Explorer or any of the Internet Explorer in Google Chrome or Firefox, any of the Explorer, where you can open a website called www.digitaloneIndia.com. Trust me friends, this is a very friendly website, very genuine website where you can work and earn money. So I will show you the step how you can register here and start working, and then you can earn money. This is a 100% genuine website, 100% genuine work, and for that you no need for very high qualification or no need of very high skill. So this is actually very simple thing. You can work on this website and earn money. I will show you the step of registration. As I already registered here, so I will show you the step, not actually giving the input because I already registered. So but I definitely show you the step. So what to do? You have to click on this register now and you have to fill this form. Then type here any name, like I type this. Then you can use an email ID. Then any password you can put. Then you need to put phone number. So country you have to choose India. If you want to choose any other countries, you can choose from this link. And then city, you can put which city you are in, from which city you belongs to. Like here I am writing and then click on agree all terms and conditions and click on create. They ask for your language, which language do you speak, means your mother tongue you can choose, and here you can choose say Delhi. So finish. So see here, this is the rupees I earned after opening the website only. When I registered on this website, I got rupees 10 balance automatically in my account. So you can understand now what is the easy thing here. So I'll just go forward for the next step. So here are the job listed here, what kind of job you can do, like captcha entry, data entry, page typing job, snipped entry and form filling. This captcha entry is totally free, others are payable options, but before you go for the payable options you must try the captcha entry and earn money, and after that you can go to the pay options. I'll show you how you can go for that. First of all, let me introduce with this premium plan where you can understand the pay things. Let's go to the premium plan. You can see here the page typing plan, you have to pay 4,750 for 3 months validity, and here all the smaller works means captcha entry, then snipped entry, then data entry are all free, and if you are not getting money after 3 months working, you will get 100% refund. Next thing is form entry plan, which is 1188. That is also 3 month frame where snip entry and data entry is free, and you can work and earn money. Third one is data entry plan where snipped entry is free and it is also valid for 3 months, and its money is 713. So next one is snipped entry, it is only 238, its validity is 1 month and you can work on that and earn money. Captcha entry, as I told you, captcha entry is totally free, but there is a captcha entry premium plan also where you have to pay 119 and or sometimes 116, so it depends on, validity is for 1 month. As I said you that captcha entry is totally free, but if you want you can pay for the captcha entry and you can work also. The difference in premium captcha entry plan and normal captcha entry plan is this, that after entering one captcha you have to wait for some time. So if you go for a premium plan, paid plan, then the waiting time will be less, and per captcha whatever you are going to earn in premium plan you will going to earn less in normal captcha plan. So this is the difference. The captcha can be done. Just go to the home option again, and here is the captcha entry free plan. Here the captcha will come and you have to type here. See, this captcha I have entered here, and after this seconds will come to 0, I have to submit it or save it. So then we can see it what we're going to see. Now 9 seconds left, so I'm waiting to come in 0 seconds. So now it is 0. I'll just save this and it is entered. If you want to see the reports, just go to the report. So in the report you can get all the reports for snipped entry, data entry, captcha entry, anything. So as I have entered in a captcha, so I can see here right is 0, wrong is 0, pending review is 1, captcha total entered is 1. Why? Because I have typed only one captcha, and whether it is right or wrong I have to go and get the report that whether it is right or whether it is wrong. If it is right it will be in green, if it is wrong it will be in red color, and they pay only for right, not the wrong captcha. And right now it is showing in review, that means it is under review. After review it will show you the money. If I have a mistake there will be no money, if there is no mistake there will be a money. I will show you after some time because it takes at least half an hour to update, so I need to wait for some time. And Apart from that, I just show you other options like get payment, which is most important. You can see you have to put your account detail, that means account holder name, bank name, IFSC code. This should be correctly entered, otherwise it will be difficult for you to get the money. You can minimum earn 350 rupees and then you can transfer to your account. So before that you cannot transfer any balance to your account. So right now no need to feel it, just do work and then you can if you earn 350, then only you can transfer it. When you click on this withdraw balance, and very easily after entering this account detail, very easily you can transfer your balance to your account. But after requesting the balance transfer, it will take 7 to 10 days to reflect to your bank account. So don't worry, it is a genuine site. After 7 or 10 days you can transfer your earned money to your bank account. So this is the way you can earn money. See here, I'll show you in this month who are all get paid from this. See here, it is related something Mamta Mahadev Gaurav, who did the data entry job and earned 2000, and it is transferred to her bank account. So like that you can do also, and you can earn money. Except that there is a referral point. That means this message, if you share in your Facebook or WhatsApp message, you will going to get 5%, means 50 from the referral if anybody registered through your referral link. So this is one advantage for you. So like I will ask you to register here and start working and earn money. Except that first of all you should try for the CAPTCHA entry, that is free entry, and later on you can try on this premium entry plan where you have to pay and you can work. So it can be tried, you can pay and you can work, but the thing is that what I feel is first of all you do go for the free jobs and earn money, and after finishing that you can go for the paid. In my account you can see that I have already entered 4 CAPTCHA and I have already added in my account 0.16 paise. When I opened this website and registered here, I earned 10, and now I'll just show you from the report that I have entered 4 CAPTCHA in total, and right CAPTCHAs, 4 right CAPTCHAs, there is no wrong CAPTCHA, so I have earned 4 CAPTCHAs amount. So see, all the CAPTCHAs are in green color, that means all are right. So every CAPTCHA I got 0.4 paise, and it is altogether it is 0.16, which is added to my account with the 10.16. So you can understood that this is the way you have to work and earn. So I just it is very easy, and I hope you like this video and it is helpful for you to earn money without going anywhere, sitting in one place in your home, and you can do 3-4 hours work in your computer and you can earn money. And this is like if you work for 3-4 hours in a day, at least in a month you can earn 2000 rupees. So you can try also, friends, and let me know if you have any questions regarding this website. And please believe me, it is 100% genuine website where you can work and earn money. So you must try. You can see here the plans. See here, it is written free plan, daily earning you can earn rupees 128, at least if you work for 5 to 6 hours a day. And in a premium plan, as I told you, it is like the CAPTCHA entry paid are more and the waiting time is less, so you are going to earn 192 daily earning, and weekly earning is this, and monthly earning is this. So you can calculate. It is a very genuine website, friends. You must try, and you can make change to your life. Not sitting in idle in your home. In your free time, you can work and get paid. So I hope you like this video. You definitely going to try this, and I promise you I will bring some new things which is useful for you, like working from home, different job. I will definitely bring the videos to you. So thank you very much, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please comment if you like this video also. I will try to make a new video on this kind of things like working from home. So bye for now.